Good morning. All right. Very good. All right, let's get back into what the heck we're doing here. Alright, so let's make sure we got our definitions. I just want to get everything checked out, so I got it all ready to rock and roll. Alright, so what were we... We were talking about stuff. It's like, last time I was working on missions, we got this screen working. So I think the next thing was Adam had gone over this stuff with me, and we had a new something. Good morning, Karakan. I see Adam has gone to dinner, so I was like, I should start streaming. What in the hell happened to the style in this? Like, this is... What is this? Is this a missing file? Oh, it is. We're missing a file. I'm trying to think. I think the pre-mission screen is something that we didn't have too much feedback on. And that's what this is. So I think we can just get started with it. Let's see, we need the static, screen assets, missions, thumbs. Yeah, I think it was score goals 01 and PNG. There we go. That's better. So what I need to do is I need the pre-mission screen to get the currently selected mission in which we will actually put all this stuff and hook it up. You look over my notes. My notes are, the post-stage screen tier results need to look like the post-mission results. The post-stage screen needs a progress bar with previous stage results, current result, and indicator for next stage. The post-mission screen needs the tier list to span the whole width. The post-mission screen needs the objectives to span 2/3 and result the other top right area. The rank stat needs to be on the same line as the personal best. Okay, so nothing about the pre-mission screen. So I think the pre-mission screen was something that we had agreed on. So let's start working on these pieces. I'm gonna throw my mock-ups over in the back here so everybody can see the little alien over my shoulder. It's a small alien. Another thing I should do is boot up the game and make sure that I actually get on the leaderboard for today. Oh man, people are actually in Chicago. I'm betting it's bots. Oh, it's bots in Caracan. Uh-oh. It's too easy. Well, I'm just gonna chill out in that game and grind up some points. So, I'm gonna throw that guy over on my other monitor and start doing stuff. So, score the goals 1 is what exactly? Nope, bots. The bots aren't doing anything. They're just chilling out. Yes, I'm going to ride on your coattails here and passively farm experience through you. And yesterday was a long day. Like, I got all the Linux stuff working for Maelstrom, and then they had a 9 in the morning call, and I had basically been working since the previous day. There's no way I was gonna get to sleep between there, and then I ended up staying awake until like 2 in the afternoon, and then sleeping until midnight. So I'm kind of just totally out of it now. All right, go team! It was a team effort. We did it. Yeah, it's got to load a lot of stuff for this UI level. Okay, what is this? Adam's got all the missions checked out. Well, that's not good. I need to work on these. All right. So we've got the unlock name is what we're probably going to need. All right. I don't know why he's got those missions checked out if he's working on the caverns level. Alright, we need the category. Mission check, lock check, progress, I don't know. Exactly. Why do you have them locked? I have them locked? Yeah? Alright, this is going to be the mission category, so pre-mission category. I believe there's an emote for this. I believe it's that one. Alright, the next thing is we need this like score 5 goals, which is the header. So this will be ID equals pre-mission header text. Alright, just making sure Karakan hasn't switched teams and decided to betray me. Hello, Synachron. Good morning. I'm just working on this this screen, getting it hooked up in the game. Okay, so the next thing is we need the description. And we need the thumbnail. You need that ambient upset emote. It's a good emote, at least in my opinion. Let's see, we need the thumbnail. And the other thing I'm doing right now is I'm also kind of checking on this Maelstrom build situation. Yeah, hello Ploddington. Everybody can hang out here and then go over to Adam's channel when he's back. So let's see, we got the thumbnail. We need the description. Pretty close to just writing everything yourself and ripping out the awful library you're using. Oh, well, you know, using awful libraries builds character, right? Let's see, we have, other than that, we have these objective items. Alright, so I need the objectives, so this will be pre-mission objectives. So let's grab that. Is somebody punching me? Okay, so best. So we need the completed thing here. So pre-mission completion completed. Okay, so this is going to be the description. So it should always be best. Then it's going to be the rating. All right, so pre-mission best rating. This will be pre-mission best stats and pre-mission best time. So let's grab these guys. Alright, so we got the times. And I guess I'll just get rid of these entirely, because who cares? So let's just get rid of these rankings then, because It's bad to just have stuff sitting around for no reason. Yeah, how is everybody doing today? I'm just worn out. You might want to change over to blue. I see what you mean. Alright, so we have all these ratings. So we'll need this fetch initial data. We'll need to actually get the current mission and everything along those lines. They're currently bored and annoyed by your numb nose. Like, what happened to your nose, Jeff? Like, usually noses aren't numb unless it's like it's cold out and you're outside and the wind is blowing or something. I can't think of another reason for a nose to be numb. Vote for bots. Fine. There you go. Have your bots. Oh, Jesus. I mean, usually I don't go to a dentist to get nose work done. You know, there's a guy down the street for that. Let's see Let's see what we've got for the previous screen here. So this will be the mission selection screen. We're going to need the mission changed. We're actually going to need a new event here, which will be like the current mission changed, I believe. So it's like mission data updated, select mission, set current mission. Mission data updated. So we're going to need an event here, which is not set current mission, but current mission updated. And we're actually going to have a mission. This bot's trying to punch me, and it can't do it because it's sitting up there on top of the on top of that thing. Get out of here, you jerk. No, this is my goal. Get out. Oh, this is way more fun than it should be. The bot is just so pissed. Alright, they can just hang out up top. Oh man, the front two teeth? Yeah, that... Oh, Jesus. That sounds like a real pain in the nose. Alright, so we're going to pass a mission here. Like that. So we're just going to have data. So current mission updated is going to be a thing. The other thing I'm going to need to do is a get current mission. What did I screw up here? Yeah, put the following is null or missing. Types, get variable type, and WD template. Yeah, it needs to be complex is true. The other thing I'm going to need is get current mission as a function. So do I have that in our game utils? I shouldn't be touching that when I'm generating code. Yeah, root canal on your top teeth, like your frontmost teeth. At that point, like, get an implant or something. Get out of here, Marta. Punch me in the face. It's not very nice of you. I should just hang out up there so the bots can't punch me. So the other thing I should do is I should check the servers for the Maelstrom guys. You know, I really don't think there's anything worse than going to the dentist. Like, it's not a positive experience. It just sucks. Alright, we have get mission data, but we do not have get current mission, so we need to add that. Okay, so we'll get our mission manager. If our mission manager doesn't exist, then we're screwed. Otherwise, what does our mission man have? Mission manager has the get current mission pointer. Alright, mission man, give me the current mission. I heard that. Care can doing work. The dentist has a PS4 in the waiting room, and you're watching Alvin and the Chipmunks while they worked on your tooth. Well, it depends on how many drugs you're on. Then, I guess my problem is, whenever I go to the dentist, they'd like try to numb up your teeth, but like it never worked for me. Like I've got some resistance. Like they wouldn't be able to give me any more of whatever drug they're doing, and I'd just be like, I feel everything you're doing. And the dentist was a good dentist. So it wasn't like the dude sucked at, stabbing people with needles. He's pretty good at that. So I blame my dad's genes for an abnormal resistance to blockers. Okay, so get current mission. I think the Dashkin mission has the mission right there. So I'll just do that. So the mission man also needs to broadcast when the mission is changed. So let's do that. One injection and numbing gel. Wait, what? Yeah, I mean they'd inject me with whatever the hell and just like don't work. When I got my wisdom teeth taken out, I woke up 3 times and like started laughing at their jokes because they were telling political jokes while they're ripping my teeth out. I started laughing and they're like, "Oh, he's awake again." I just made it worse because I started laughing again because it's like, God damn it. Okay, so set current mission. Alright, so this guy should actually just call set current mission. Then, and we should do our UI event right in here. They always have to use a second set of syringes, and dragons take a bit to put out, don't they? So I need to go to that generated for the UI events, and we've got the current mission updated. So Dashkin UI events, current mission updated, and then we just pass in mission dot mission. And by dot I mean arrow. Cool. You get stitches. Yeah, stitches aren't a big deal. Stitches aren't bad. I don't know, there's just something a bit more primitive about somebody sticking a drill in your mouth. You wake up wondering if they started. You're like, so when are you gonna be done? When are you guys gonna do the thing? And be like, dude, you have been on drugs for the last 2 weeks. Like that was last. It's May. It's May, Jeff. Oh, why is my shirt inside out? So have I included the UI events here? I have not. Alright, it's looking like things are working properly. He woke up singing? Let's see. Their user counts right now are looking good. Everything is working properly. Hey, I hear you punching me. Alright, they stopped punching me. Hey dude, where's my car? It's like, it's right over there. Yeah, I think that was the only time they actually like put me out was for wisdom teeth. And I distinctly remember the dreams I had while under. Basically, I was in the middle of the ocean, and there was a rubber life raft, and there was a helicopter, and I had to climb the ladder to the helicopter. And that was real difficult to do. But that was my that was what, you know, just climbing up. Just like, I gotta get to the helicopter. I gotta get the hell out of this rubber lifeboat in the middle of the ocean. It's a pretty cool dream, actually. You have to be careful because of red hair genes. What does red hair genes mean with that? Is there some sort of, you know, don't get the Irish drunk? Well, they give you the drugs and you just go berserk. You go into a battle rage and start tearing up the oral surgeon's office. Yeah, get wrecked, Spider. Get destroyed. So, what we need to do is, now that we actually have that stuff in there, get current game state data. We need this get current mission. And we also need to register for an event, which is going to be current mission updated. And this should be on mission updated. Alright, so let's grab the mission. Let's actually set this thing to null up here. He's awake, grab the mallet. Yeah, throw the. Also, hello, Lucas. When it causes brain damage. That's impossible. Oh no. I mean, it seems kind of like the opposite of intended effects there for, you know, an operation is like, all right, cool. We successfully extracted the teeth along with parts of his brain. Good job, guys. You know, see you in the washroom. All right, so the mission is updated. Otherwise, we need to. I guess, is this going to be another gameplay thing where we set up the debug data? Yeah, event mission data updated. Just make a new F mission there. So, let me see, this is create debug mission data, so this will be create debug current mission. So, let's just make a new thing here. Oh no, the God of Thunder is awoken. I think there was wasn't there like a book series about that where there was some dude who was like totally psycho and he would like turn into an alternate personality from a different universe and beat the shit out of everybody. There's your bots. And stuff like that. So, I don't know. I don't remember. I just remember bits and pieces of it. Alright, so we have a mission. This will be mission. Yeah, sample mission. So, offline category. Category is going to be. Let's see. So EBS mission category. dot, let's do training. So we'll have stages, we'll have a thumb for score goals, will be our thumbnail. Let's see, stage K, game mode, win conditions, excuse me. Objectives, we got our objectives. Result tiers, win conditions, loss conditions, mission completion, completed, locked, whatever. Alright, so what we're going to want to do here is event, mission data updated. This is going to be current mission updated, right? Yeah. There's a traveling peddler named Stephen who has brown skin and golden hair and travels in a cart full of wares. Inside his own body lives his brother Nevlitz, who's a savage humanoid beast with golden skin and brown hair who comes out of his body when Stephen is angry or threatened. Sounds like a perfectly sane individual. If you ran into that guy in the street, you'd be like, "Oi, you know, get over here. Hey, you can watch my house while I'm on vacation. Here you go. Here's the keys." And I'm sure nothing bad would happen. All right, so we're just gonna do otherwise g gameplay dot create debug current mission data. All right. Wait, who is this? Dark Anturian? I have absolutely no idea who you are. But welcome to the winning team. I'm just grinding all this up. Yeah, I don't know who it is. Do you guys know who Dark Anturian is? Because I have not seen that name on any leaderboards. It's a new player? Alright, we'll go easy on him. Alright, well, teaching him how to dance. The bots are going after him. Wait, there's mad ups and the bot is just straight on him. That's great. He's trying to get away from him. This is the perfect new player introduction. It's just some bots that you can just punch in the face over and over. Alright, well, I'm gonna go hang out on the goal. Oh, Jesus. New regular on Adam's channel. I see. Alright, I kinda need to get back to work. Alright, conditions is not defined. Okay, so it's gameplay 2544. I think it's because I made conditions. Yeah, I made conditions up above. So we'll just throw that in there. Alright, so missions is not defined 2614. 2614. Yeah, missions is not defined, but mission is. On mission updated of undefined pre-mission 55. So 55. Yeah, we haven't set this variable. Alright, excellent. Thank you for following Dark Antarian. You're in a stream now. Well, welcome. Yeah, I'm just kind of hanging out while I work on Adam's the artist and I'm the engineer on the project. Adam also owns the design. And I'm just working on the pre-mission screen at the moment. I need to rig this guy up so that all this data here that we have actually makes it into the right place. So we need the unlock name. So let's do that. And welcome, I hope you are having a good day. It is 2 in the morning over here. So get the unlock name. I should just grab all this over here, shouldn't I? And if you're following Adam, I stream irregularly. I'm not on a set schedule like Adam is. Adam's much more organized with his streaming. I just kind of do as much work as I can, and I stream when I can. So it's basically whenever I'm working, I'm probably streaming it if it's work that's streamable. If it's like back-end server work with security stuff and implications for other projects, I can't really do that. Oh yeah, and if Adam's back, feel free to go troll Adam. The best thing about my stream is you can get the emotes that trigger Adam, because he's been in so many calls with me and seen these faces of me just like being upset with his ideas that there's a visceral reaction. So if you want to troll Adam, the best way to do it is to get those emotes. Because it works. Jeff got Adam to rage quit his own game by spamming ambient upsets at one point. It was entertaining for everybody except Adam, and that's the best form of humor, is humor at the expense of somebody that's present, because it really drives home how much we just don't care about them. Team switch? Oh shit. Are you gonna spawn in 3 bots? Oh man, it's player reset too. Crazy town. Okay. Exploitation. It's just hilarious. Alright, so we need the category. Needs to be our category. Isn't that just called category? Yeah, it's just called category. Alright, so the header text is our mission header. Our thumbnail. Let me look at the thumbnail. I believe I called it preamble. Yeah. So this will be our thumb. So mission.thumb. Alright, we've got our description, so it'll be mission.description. You're in multi-twitch, very good. Hopefully I'm not just annoying and talking over Adam or something. Oh man, they didn't want bots. They're like, no bots. Okay, so we need the objectives. So what I need to do here is to go through all the objectives that we have. Okay, so we need to call on this guy objectives.remove. Okay, so pretty much what we can do is we can do an append on this guy, and we can actually put in an li element here, which is going to have this class of pre-mission screen objective item. And then we want to add mission objective sub I in there. And then close it. So that'll do that. So what is the next thing? We've got these mission completions. So if, let's see, mission.mission completion dot completed equals false. Otherwise, I'm just going to hide this thing if you haven't finished it. Otherwise, I will show it. And then we need to set the best rating time and all that stuff. So best rating is, like, we just have best and then rating, stat, and time. Rating, we need to add a class to so let's remove all the rank classes from best rating, and then we'll add that back. So we need to switch off of mission completion best tier, and let's see what we have for that. Okay, so we need our best stat and our best duration. So we need best stat here and duration, so those should be, I guess it should be a float and a float. We'll have a default of 0. So let's do best stat and best duration. So that should be good. We'll need to add that to our service objects. So let's go add that to our service objects. Can you watch me in game? You have a bug. Let me run over to where you are. Yeah, so sorry if I wasn't looking at chat. Are we talking about just the The collision up here not being completely flush with the wall, or are you talking about being able to actually wall jump up above there? Because you can wall jump up above there, and then you hit the bounds of the arena, and it'll reset you. So the roof is sticky. Yeah, there's a bit of friction on the roof. So, yeah, I can go write that down. Basically, what's going on there is your head is sliding along. It's sliding along the edge, like your horns are actually digging in, and the way the momentum stuff works, I'm not trying to just immediately stop you. So like if you jumped and like hit your head on a ceiling with just like a single pixel, or even your whole head, you can kind of jump and kind of, if you hold right, you might slide around an object and keep going. You know? Yeah. So there's some stuff in there that is when you're kind of running at full speed and you like jump around and up into things, it helps you not get so constrained. But when you're just kind of going up against, a roof, it does odd things. But yeah, that's something I will. There will be movement stuff where I need to go through and fix a bunch of stuff, but polish passes. I need to get to the point where Adam can make all the games, all the missions and everything else, and we've got all the core features, and then I'll go back and polish up all the small things. So it'll be a while. Okay, so I have the best duration, the best time. I was going into the service objects for definitions to add them to our mission completion. Cutscene completion, mission completion. We're going to have two values here, which will be floats. So that's going to be the best stat and the best duration. So I need to regenerate those, and before I forget about them, I need to add them to everything. Alright, did I do 23? Looks like I got the Maelstrom build jobs fixed. They were choking on some DLLs and pound-defined stuff not being set. Alright, Dark Antarian, you're gonna have to win this one against Karakan. I'll be on your team, so if you lose, my win streak's gone, which I have ground up completely legitimately by coasting off of Karakan, so it's only fitting that Karakan ended. So I need to go to the Dashkin game data, and I need to add the stuff in here. So this was on the mission completions. So where is the condition? Here we are. So this will be new completion dot best stat. I can hear it. I can hear it. Those close goals mean I'm getting scored on. Zero and 4. Oh man, this is. See how it is. She has no mercy. Alright, so best stat and best duration. Alright, so we got that saved. So we've got those guys. Excellent. So if we go to our mission pre-mission screen, we should be able to set our best rating, which we have. Our best stat is going to be mission completion best stat and best duration. So let me see, what does it look like right now? It says like 10 goals in 55 seconds. Let's see. You have a 773 ping? Ouch. A 773 ping, what? Well, I see an 83 ping right now, so a 773 ping is, like, the server's working. What, is that just a bad frame rate on your end? Where are you geographically located? Are you in the States or? I mean, if you're streaming a whole bunch of video, as in you're streaming Twitch, it could also be that you have a saturated internet connection. But 773 is, you're basically on the moon. Or even worse, you could be in South Africa. Though we had one guy in South Africa, he was saying he was getting about a 500 ping against some of the servers. Shit. Oh, that punch.